Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today we're talking about how you can start saving even if you only have $50 a month. That's right, saving doesn't need to be scary or complicated. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to budget, manage debt, and start building your financial future. Let's dive in. Before you save, you need to understand where your money is going. Track your expenses for a month, everything from coffee to rent. This helps you know how much you can actually save. A simple method is the 50/30/20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings. Even $50 a month counts if you consistently save it. Let's make a simple budget for $500 a month. $250 for needs, food, rent, bills, $150 for wants, entertainment, coffee, $100 for savings. Start small. Even if you only save $50, that's $600 a year. The key is consistency, not perfection. Here are simple strategies to save $50 a month. Cut small expenses, skip one coffee, or eat out less. Automatic savings. Set $50 to auto-transfer to a savings account. Sell unused stuff online, clothes, gadgets, or old books. Remember, small steps add up. Debt can block your savings, so tackle it smartly. Use these tips. Pay off high-interest debt first. Avoid unnecessary credit card spending. Don't get discouraged by small progress. Every little payment counts. Track your savings and celebrate milestones. For example, $50 saved equals small celebration. $100 saved equals treat yourself, budget-friendly. $500 saved equals proud moment. Tracking makes saving fun and rewarding. And that's it. Even with just $50 a month, you can start building a strong financial habit. Remember, saving is about consistency, not how much you start with. If you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below how you're going to start saving this month. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.